Yes, Mr. Mau, tell us more about this tournament, the Mau Peanuts for Diamonds Revival boxing tournament that's taking place today. Why the revival?
The revival is due to the fact that boxing has not been at all visible throughout since the onset of the pandemic, and it is now nearly 1.5 years since we went into the ring. So really, at the end of the day, boxers throughout the country have been itching to go into the ring, but because of the restrictions of the COVID-19 pandemic, it has not been possible. But once the government announced that the sport can resume, but on conditions that they maintain the World Health Organization conditions on COVID, we jumped to the opportunity and prepared for this first festive tournament, which is Mau Boxing, Peanuts for Diamonds Revival. Revival simply to reactivate boxing in the country since it has been in limbo for the past 1.5 years.
What can the viewers expect in today's tournament?
It's going to be quite explosive. As you can see, there's been quite a heavy turnout. There is a lot of expectation. There is a lot of anticipation. And I am very aware that boxers have been working so hard for this tournament, and they are raring to go. And it's going to be absolutely an exciting and renewal day. Remember, our boxers have been ring rust for quite some time, so it's cleaning that rust in this tournament. Everybody really has been rusty, including myself, the promoter or the manager. Even the trainers have been rust as well. So really, it's an anti-rust tournament on the part of boxers and all those who are involved in the boxing fraternity.
In order to continue with this boxing tournament going on, what is your appeal to the corporate world out there in order to support sport in general and including boxing in Zimbabwe?
I repeat that there is no sport anywhere in the world which can survive, which can develop, which can grow from strength to strength without the support of the corporate world. And also, obviously, without the support of the media, yourselves. So really, my appeal to the corporate world is that please have the chance to sample, to see what we're doing, the level of our boxing, then come to our rescue, because the problem is being 100%, there's been no sponsorship to boxing. Some people believe that, oh, well, you're not doing enough. But we have done quite enough, and we want the corporate world to notice what we are doing, to notice the little progress we're doing, so that they can come to our rescue. And it must remember that the corporate world, for it to come on board, they must notice, or they must witness there's some kind of reciprocal benefit to their businesses. So it's not a matter of charity on the part of the corporate world. And they also need to be associated with people who are serious, who are really disciplined, who are genuine, who are going to protect their respective products. So really, it's a work in progress, and I am sure with your participation as the media, we are definitely going to get there. We will soon be getting the corporate world on board.
Who qualifies to enter into this competition?
Who qualifies? This is mostly for professionals. But in my tournaments, I also give room to the amateurs, so that it must be emphasized that all professional boxers come from the amateur ranks. Without honing your skills in the amateur ranks, there is no way you're going to be in the professional ranks. So I would say those who are in the professional ranks, Amadoda Sibili, Ndodaka Sibili. So really, at the end of the day, to qualify, you have to be a professional, and you have to qualify the transition from amateur to professional.
Those who are here today, where are they coming from in terms of Zimbabwe? Where are you drawing them from?
No, they are professionals coming from all parts of Zimbabwe. Masingo, Gweru today, Bulawayo, Kwekwe, Harare. And for today, they are mostly coming from those areas. But it's from all over the country.
Thank you so much. Your last words to the viewers out there?
You're going to enjoy tonight, and I can assure you, you are salivating to witness the first tournament after 1.5 years, of impasse on the part of boxing activity. So really, you just tune into Slide Television channel, and you will get a live feed of what will be happening here. Because of coronavirus, we are unable to invite the boxing followers to witness it live here. But all the same, there's going to be live stream, and it will be just as good, even better, to watch everything whilst you're sitting back in your homes, having a cup of coffee, and enjoy Mau Mau boxing tonight.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
There you are, viewers. As you can see around here, we have people that have come in to weigh in to do their medicals this morning for a boxing tournament that's going to be there this evening here at the Ministry of Information, Media and Broadcasting Service, the film school, so many people call it. That's where we are right now. So we will be seeing you and during the evening, we will be giving you the final of the matches that are being prepared right now. Thank you so much for watching Slide Media.